In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two colors in one cell in Microsoft Excel using a gradient fill. Let's get started by opening your Excel file and selecting the cell or range of cells that you want to apply two colors to. You can click on a single cell or click and drag to highlight multiple cells if you want the same effect across several cells at once. With your cells selected, go to the top of the screen and look for the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Home tab, find the font group. You should see a small paint bucket icon, which is the Fill Color button. Instead of clicking directly on the bucket, click the small arrow next to it to open the Full Color menu. In that menu, you'll see some standard colors and theme colors, but we're looking for more advanced options. At the bottom, choose More Colors or More Options, depending on your version of Excel. This will open a new dialog box where you can customize the way your cells are filled. Inside this dialog, switch to the Fill tab if it isn't already selected. Normally, Excel uses a solid fill, which is why you only see one color in a cell. To use two colors, we need to change this to a gradient. Look for the Fill Effects button and click it. This opens another window specifically for gradient settings. Here, you'll see options for gradient colors and shading styles. Choose the Two Colors option. You'll now be able to pick Color 1 and Color 2. Click the drop-down next to each one and select the two colors you want to blend together. For example, you might choose a light blue for Color 1 and a darker blue for Color 2, or completely different colors if you want a more dramatic effect. Next, decide how the gradient should flow. Under Shading Styles, you can choose options like horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or from corner. Each style changes the direction of the blend between your two colors. You can click through these to see the preview update and choose the one that looks best for your layout. Once you're happy with the colors and style, click OK to close the Fill Effects window. Then click OK again in the main Format Cells window. Your selected cell or cells should now show a smooth gradient between the two colors you chose. If you want to reuse this look, you can copy the formatted cell and use Paste Special with formats on other cells, so you don't have to repeat the setup each time.